start with vapor honing technologies. We get asked this question quite a bit, how to vapor blast. If you've ever done any dry blasting, it's pretty simple, it's the exact same technique. What we realize is not everybody has done dry blasting. Therefore today, we're actually going to show you some of the techniques we use to wet blast. So basically what you have is there's two different techniques. One is using a painting motion and going back and forth. The other is using small circles. Both methods work extremely well, just depends on what you're more comfortable with. If you have any other questions about what is wet blasting and how does it work, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. My extension is 108. Thanks for watching.